too big to upload or share? Let's shrink your video file size without losing any quality. First, finish your editing and head to export or render. In the export settings, choose a lower resolution like 720p instead of 1080p if you don't need high definition. Next, adjust the bitrate. This controls quality and size. Lower it moderately to reduce file size. Switch the format to MP4 as it's more compressed than others like AVI. You can also turn off unneeded audio tracks or reduce audio bitrate. Some versions include a compressed file checkbox during export. Hit export and editing 24/7 will process your smaller file. A bitrate around 2000 to 4000 kbps works well for most small videos with good quality. Comment if you're unsure which setting to tweak, I'll guide you. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.